If you're starting a business, you've probably discovered something frustrating. Getting funding from traditional banks can feel almost impossible. Most banks want to see years of business tax returns, strong revenue history, and excellent credit before they even consider approving a loan. But here's the problem. Most startups don't have those things yet. So in this video, we're going to talk about why startups struggle to get loans and how flexible funding options are helping entrepreneurs access capital faster. The traditional banking problem. Traditional banks are designed to minimize risk. Because of that, they usually require 2 to 3 years of business tax returns, strong annual revenue, high personal credit scores, extensive documentation. For a new business owner, these requirements can be a major roadblock. You might have a great idea, a strong plan, and customers ready to buy. But without financial history, banks often say no. This is one of the biggest reasons many entrepreneurs struggle to grow in their early stages. What startups actually need? Startups need funding that matches their stage of growth. Instead of focusing only on past financial history, modern funding solutions may consider things like personal credit history, current business performance, monthly revenue, projected growth. This approach helps lenders understand the real potential of a business, not just its past, and it gives entrepreneurs access to the capital they need to grow. Flexible funding solutions. That's where companies like Cube Capital Group come in. Instead of relying on a single lender, they work with a network of funding partners to help match businesses with the right financing options. These options may include working capital loans, equipment financing, business lines of credit, SBA loan options, invoice factoring. The process is designed to be simple. Many applications can be completed online in minutes, and businesses may receive funding decisions quickly, sometimes within a day, depending on the program. This type of flexibility helps businesses get the capital they need to hire employees, buy equipment, invest in marketing, or expand operations. The truth is, every successful business starts somewhere, and the early stages are often the hardest when it comes to funding. But the financial world is evolving. Today, entrepreneurs have more options than ever before. Funding solutions that consider performance, growth potential, and alternative data are opening doors for businesses that might otherwise be overlooked. If you're an entrepreneur looking for funding, remember this: your business may not have years of history yet, but that doesn't mean it doesn't have potential. And sometimes the right funding partner can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with another entrepreneur who might need funding to grow their business.